What's up, YouTube? Pyro P here. Just a small pickup today. Got some Saturn missile batteries. Got 8 of them. But that was on my end. I'll show you how my wife wants her board. So this was the pickup today. Got some Croc Bite, Neon Goblin, Neon Eagle, Blonde Joke. You already saw the Eagle Claw. She picked this up today. She wanted some of these. And this Hello Summer. Some more stuff here. But yeah. She wants her board set up something like this with all color. So I'm definitely gonna make that happen for her. Got a Technicolor Dream there. Colorful Skies. Got the heavyweight Blonde Joke.